So we are going to learn how to create these 5 slides. In this action break we will learn entire chapter. Okay, so let's begin. First we are going to take a new presentation by pressing Ctrl N. Okay, now in this we have to use blank layout, so click on layout and assign the blank. Now insert parts of plants. For example, this is our heading, parts of plants. Okay, so let's add parts of plant. From insert tab we will add word art and select any word art and type parts of plants. Okay, now move the particular heading and increase the size, and also you can change the color by using this. Okay, also you can change this specific font style as you want, like this. Okay, now after this we have to add a photo like of the plant. So you can use the internet. If you have a computer with the internet connection, open the web browser. Okay, and type plant pictures. Okay, it will automatically download it from your to your computer. Now after this click on picture and download the picture. Okay, so I have already downloaded that picture in this, so I will open it. Okay, then picture of plant. So picture of plant is here. Select the plant picture and here, so resize it like this. Okay, so we have added a plant picture. Like I'm going to start from here. So this is called the plant, parts of plant. Okay, in this we have to add another music. So click on insert, because you can see here this is icon of the audio. Okay, so we have already downloaded one audio, so we are going to add this, but remember it should be play throughout the entire slide. So okay, now add the second slide for this. So insert slide home and insert new slide and blank. Okay, in this we have to add parts of plant. So insert smart art and select hierarchy and select a specific type and click here. Now type here parts of plants. Okay, now after that we have to add 5 parts of the plants. So first select it, add shape below. Okay, and add shape after. Same, one more, add shape after. Okay, now click here and type here root, then stem, then after leaf, and then after flower. Okay, so there are only 4 parts are there, so we are going to remove this one. Okay, we can decrease the size by hold down this. We can resize it. Okay, and move to the on the top parts of the plant. Okay, we can arrange anywhere on this slide like this. Move to the corner. You can change the shape, layout, and chart type also. Okay, like this. Okay, you can arrange it as you want. Put particular place like this. Okay, done. So this way we can add slide. Okay, now after this we are going to add a photo with the arrow key. So insert picture, parts of plants. So type here parts of plants. Okay, so select it and okay. Now you can see here it is already inserted parts of plant, but for example arrow is not there. So how we can do this? So simply go to the insert tab, add shape. You can use the arrow key. Okay, and draw the arrow key like this. Okay, rotate by 90 vertically and horizontally like this is called a leaf. So click on here and increase the outline size of your shape like this. Change color like red. Okay, and to type it, insert text box. select the text box and type here leaf. Leaf. Okay, and move your text here. This is called the hold it, increase the size. You can increase size. Okay, so second way for the flower, so select both of them and press Ctrl D. Okay, it will automatically make a duplicate copy of your shape. Now move to here. Okay, and select and put it here and type here flower. Done. Same way you can do for the rest of thing. Okay, got it how to do it? So you can do it yourself. Now next number third slide, we have to assign the root. We have to type about the root. So press Ctrl plus M. Okay, and go to the insert tab, take word art and insert any word art and type here root of the heading. Okay, increase size. Okay, and you can change the color as you want and insert the photo with the root. So here we are going to add a root of a plant. Select, and here we have added plants of a root. We are going to decrease the size, change the photos animation or some graphics as you want. For example, I want this, so select it. Okay, now this is called the root of a plant. But now we are going to type something about the root. So how we can do, just simply open the web browser. Okay, and type Google, search on the Google about root of a plant and copy some data from the internet. Okay, and move to your slide and insert a text box. From here insert text box and select it, draw it and press Ctrl plus B. Now assign the color, increase the size. Okay, do the justify and select this color. Okay, this is called the how to insert some tags or give the heading functions of the root. Okay, and select and change the color by red. Okay, so this way we can type first about the root. Now same for the next, that is next slide for the stem. So we are going to make the duplicate copy of this by pressing Ctrl D. Now change the heading as a stem. Okay, now change the photo by pressing right click, change photo from offline, then from the computer we have stem photo is there, so select it and change the stem photo. So this is called a stem. Now times something about this stem, so you open the internet. Okay, and about the stem of a plant, right? So copy that data and press Ctrl C and move to the your slideshow and type here functions about the stem and change it by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, so this way we can do some copy paste option from the internet. Okay, now after this stem we are going to add about writing about the leaf. Okay, so before we proceed we have to select it, press Ctrl S because we have to save it. So standard 6 English medium chapter number 5 action break number 2. Okay, now again hold press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy. Now type here leaf and change the photo of leaf by pressing from computer and type a leaf. Okay, so this is a leaf. Okay, now type search on internet about the leaf of a plant. So copy this data and move to your slideshow and function of stem, then type function of a leaf and Control V. Okay, so this is called all about the how to do some animation. And now after this last and number 4, that is called a flower. So make a duplicate copy again, then change by pressing the, instead of leaf, select the flower, computer flowering. Okay, plants flower, yes, parts of flower. So yes, we have added parts of flower. But you can see here in this we have to add video also. So for this we are going to insert video from my PC. You know, we have downloaded. Okay, so select it. Now we are going to decrease the size of the player, so by this. Okay, now, okay, so in this area it will be play. Okay, like this. Done. We are going to decrease the size both of these, so it will play, it should be play automatically after. Okay, when this slideshow will begin, it will automatically play. Done. Now what is this? After this we have to add parts of flower description. So move to the computer and about parts of flower. Okay, so parts of flower. So copy this data and control C and move to your presentation and press control plus V. Okay, this way we can change parts of the, instead of this we have to type here parts of a flower. Okay, so can select it and change the color by this and press down Ctrl S. Okay students, so we have done 1 2 3 4 and 6 slides already we have done here. See, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now we are going to add animation. First we will add an animation, so select animation tab, click on the parts and click on wipe. Okay, and then it must be after previous. Okay, now select the photo, it should be like shape like this and click on after previous. Okay, now the second one, first we will select the this one and then go to the fade in, but it should be not at once, it will one by one like this. Okay, but everything should be after previous, means it will be play automatically. Now next this image should be displayed, so wipe. Okay, and then it will be after previous and it should be select the both and this one. Okay, again it will be after previous, after previous, and then select both, then shape like this and both should be after previous. Done. Next way same, assign same for the next, but make sure that you have select after previous. Any animation you can give, but it should be after previous. Okay, same way select the text and assign the after previous. Also you can assign the effects from anyway, from horizontal, vertical, and from the all at once like this. Okay, but it must be after previous like this. Okay, now leaf, select the content and after previous, then randoms and after previous. You can use any animation from here also. Okay, like this, select it and you can assign like flip one by one and it should be after previous. Okay, if you assign after previous, then the amount of your particular animation will be 0. That means we have all successfully assigned after previous option. Okay, now last one, after the leaf, it will be not leaf but it is flower. So it here flower. Okay, yes, it should be front side, so format send to back. Okay, then so assign animation, go to the animation, split or after previous, select the and after previous, and this one click here, motion path. Okay, not motion path, entrance. It should be wipe out. Okay, and after previous. Okay, now hold down Control S. We have assigned animation to entire. Now about the transition. So move to the first slide. Assign the transition like follower. Okay, and it should be after previous. Now second one, select it, go to the any animation like curtains. Okay, and then select after previous. Now third slide, select the switch and after previous. Now next one, split and after previous. And then next ripple. Okay, then after previous, and last one, clock after previous. We have used this option because we don't want to press any key from the keyboard or the mouse. Means your presentation from start to end will automatically play itself. Okay, so that we have assigned this after option. Now hold down Ctrl S and press F5 key from the keyboard to start a slideshow. Students, so this way we can create this presentation. Press the Ctrl S and you can create this presentation at home. If you have a computer, you can do it your home also. Okay, so this is all about the chapter number 5. Okay, in this we have already learned insert tab. Okay, and in this we have learned how to insert new slides, how to insert screenshot, photo album, shapes, smart arts. Okay, text, word art. Okay, and then video, audio. Okay, these are all about the chapter number 5. After this we are going to start its exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's start the exercise of chapter number 5. Okay, first MCQs. First blanks. Dash are special sound or visual effects on a slide, that is called an animation. Dash are special effects that appear when you move from one slide to next, that is called a transition. To delete a shape, select it and press delete key from the keyboard. Dash is an image or a picture of this computer screen at a given moment. This is called a screenshot. And a dash is a PowerPoint presentation that you create to display photographs, that is called photo album feature. True, false. The smarter graphics are grouped into 5 categories. False, because there are 8 categories. The audio and video buttons are present in media group of the home tab. False, in the insert tab. Only one animation can be added to one slide. False, you can add multiple animations. A sound icon appears when an audio clip is inserted on the slide. True. You cannot take screenshot of only a part of computer screen. False. Now MCQs. Which of the object can be inserted in a slide? So everything can be added. Which one is not an option to related to animation effects? So movement is not there. Which one is not an option to start an animation? Altogether is not there. The option that replaces the audio until it's stopped by the presenter, that is called loop until stopped. What is motion path in PowerPoint? So it is a path to move items on the slide. Now question answer. Name the various categories of a smart art. So there are 8 categories: list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, and picture. How will you add text in this smart art graphics? For this you can click on the text placeholder in the text pane and type. And second way, you can click on the text placeholder in each text box and type. There are two ways. What are the options available when you click the drop down arrow of add shape? So there are 4 ways: add shape after, add shape before, add shape above, and add shape below. How will you take only a part of window using screenshot option? So for this, click this slide and click insert tab, click on screenshot option from the images group and select full screen or screen clipping option. How will you create photo album presentation? So for that we have to click on insert tab, images group, photo album option. From this we have to click on file and then select pictures and click on insert and change your pictures layout and then click on create. Write steps to add an audio file in your presentation. So for this we have to go to insert tab, media group, and click on audio and select your audio from the computer and click on OK. What are the different ways to advance the slides in transition effects? For this we have two options: use on mouse click or use after and adjust the time. What is animation? Mention the 4 animation effects. Animation are special effects that you can add to the text and objects on a slide. There are 4 animation effects: entrance, emphasize, exit, and motion paths. Okay students, so this is all about chapter number 5, PowerPoint, and its insert tab. You have to write exercise of this chapter. Okay, but if you have a computer or laptop, then do the practice of this all exercise. And you can also use, for more reference, you can use workout on page number 84. There are 4 workouts are there: A, B, C, and D. Okay, so you can accelerate your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, thank you students, bye.